Today I want to share something with you that can shift how you're gonna find your next dream job. We are taught to climb or do a career in one way, and that is to climb a wall. Just climb a wall, right? And when we want to find a new job, either we're lucky that somebody comes and say, hey, Camilla, do you want to join my team? And we just join blindly, right? Or we come with our hat in our hand, networking, can you use me? Or we look at the internet and different portals and look for positions. Who we miss in this find your next dream job game is you. You miss yourself in this. So rather than going with outside in the external world, then ask yourself what you really want. What is it that you want? What is it that you enjoy so much? What is it that you know you can go and monetize? And why? What are the pains right now? Because let's face it, there's no one organization that has all super duper. So with your insights, when you know who you want to serve, you can actually invite yourself into a conversation, not an interview, a conversation, a peer-to-peer, and ask some really interesting questions. Because remember, if you're that great leader, you come from the place of serving. You want to set other people up for success. So ask these qualifying and really interesting questions that get people to think. And then you can say, or discover, can I help you or can I not help you? But I want you to remember, you have more to give. You have something amazing that the world needs. Now it's for you to go out there and connect with those you want to serve. In the Fearless Leader Training or Masterclass yesterday, we doubled down on how to find your next client, your customer, your next job. Because most people do it the traditional way, and that makes them blind. Don't make that mistake. Instead, take charge of what you want out of life. If you want more success, more money, more free time, now it's for you to really find out and discover what you enjoy doing and go and serve the world. If this resonates with you, give it a like, follow me, and please also share this video with someone who you know is looking for her next dream job.